Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I came with another new recruitment, that is Indian Council of Agricultural Research recruitment. Let's see the details. The post lots are there. First post is English editorial unit. The education qualification here required is MSc in agricultural science or animal science or allied sciences, or MTech or ME integrated dual degree BTech MTech in biotechnology or bioinformatics. MA English mass communication or English journalism with minimum 1 year experience in editorial capacity in reputed national level journal. PG diploma English mass communication or English journalism with minimum 2 years of working experience in editorial capacity in reputed national level journal. Here the posts are there. Three posts are there. Next post is the Hindi editorial unit. Here the essential qualifications: MSc in agricultural science or animal science or allied sciences, MTech ME integrated dual degree BTech MTech in biotechnology or bioinformatics, MA Hindi mass communication skills or Hindi journalism with minimum 1 year of working experience in editorial capacity in reputed diploma national level journal. PG diploma. Here the two posts are there. For production unit post, graduates with at least 60% marks in computer application, information technology or computer science or artificial intelligence or operating system or software engineering, computer graphics with 1 year experience in relevant field, 3 years degree or diploma with 60% marks in printing technology with specialization in graphics management, at least 1 year diploma in graphics designing with specialization in Corel Draw Photoshop. Here the one post is there. For PME cell post, MSc in agricultural science or animal science or allied sciences, master in business management or master in computer application, experience in coordination and management. Only one post are there. For business management, MBA marketing or equivalent with minimum 60% marks from a recognized institution, and become BBS with minimum 60% marks from a recognized university or a college with minimum 1 year of experience in relevant field. Desirable qualification: experience in marketing and sales in prints or publication house, excellent knowledge in sales and marketing and inventory management in publishing house, excellent in spoken and written English in Hindi. One post is there. Next, for library post, master degree in library and information science from a recognized university or institute, working knowledge in OJO AS or KOHA. One post is there. 7th, audio and visual production unit. Here the education required BTech with 60% marks or 3 year diploma in electrical communication, sound and TV engineering with 60% marks. Experience also they have got 1 year experience of sound recording. One post is there. Next post is CRA Consortium for Resources Agriculture, master degree in agricultural sciences or library and information sciences or computer applications or basic science, and 2 years experience in e-sources management or any consortium. Only one post is there. Next we will see the age limit. The minimum age under young professional category will be 21 years old and maximum 45 years with relaxation as per rules on 1st June 2021. Okay, next see how to apply. Interested and eligible candidates, here they have give applications. You have to fill the application, attached the proforma annexure 1 through email on email address. You have to fill the application and you have to attach the document, and you have to scan the copies and send to jobs.dkma@icar.government in the application should be accompanied with one set of original scanned self-attested relevant copies of testimonial certificates and age proof and sheets as required in advertisement. The last date is to receiving application they have told through email 24/6/2021. The application received after the due date will not be considered in any case. Okay guys, this is the application. I have put this notification in description box. You have to download this and you have to fill this and you have to send a mail and to attach the document also. The last date is to apply on or before 24 June 2021. Okay guys, hope you like this video and gives a thumbs up and share this video to maximum and comment if you have any doubt.